We live in an increasingly unpredictable world. One of the ways we can protect our children from the anxiety that this inevitably creates is to add rhythm to our home life. We might not be able to control what's happening out there in the world, but we can more control. We have a little more control over what happens inside our home. Rhythm creates predictability. Children experience less anxiety and less overwhelm. They experience more connection and more ease when their days are predictable, which means they can know what to expect during the day. If a child's day is predictable, then they know what to expect during the day. Because so much of life is unpredictable. That's just the nature of it. We can add these moments of predictability for our children, and they can make all the difference in the world. I have seen this firsthand, the power that rhythm can have in family life. I've seen children come into my program or families come to work with me who didn't have any rhythm at all. They adopted just a very basic rhythm, and I saw their children relax a little bit. It's not a magic cure-all that's going to make your entire life wonderful and amazing and nothing will ever go wrong. But this is a way to build in some connection, to build in the assurance of that time when your children can take a deep breath and relax. I've included in your workbook a little summary of what I think are some of the most important benefits of rhythm. And those include things like reducing anxiety, lessening feelings of overwhelm, increasing connection between family members, and increasing overall ease and well-being. And what I think is one of the most powerful tools is that it creates time for what really matters.